Have you ever wondered why Louis Vuitton, a brand that started with travel trunks in 1854, is now the most desired luxury fashion house in the world? Why people wait in line for hours? Why bags sell out instantly? And why even celebrities with unlimited options still choose LV? Today, we're diving into the real reason Louis Vuitton dominates luxury. And trust me, it's deeper than just a fancy logo. Louis Vuitton isn't popular, it's powerful. This brand has become a global symbol of status, wealth, and timeless style. The moment someone carries an LV bag, it sends a message that they value quality, heritage, and exclusivity. And here's the crazy part. While other brands follow trends, Louis Vuitton creates them, and everyone else tries to catch up. Louis Vuitton has been around for over 170 years, and its legacy is unmatched. From handcrafted trunks to modern luxury fashion, the brand has never lost its identity. It carries a history that no new brand can imitate. People don't just buy LV, they buy a piece of luxury history. That's why customers keep returning. Generation after generation, every LV item is designed to last. The canvas, the stitching, the handles, the hardware, everything is tested, refined, and perfected. That's why you'll still see vintage LV bags from the 1980s looking brand new today. People prefer Louis Vuitton because they know, when you buy LV, you're buying durability, not just a label. Let's be honest, Louis Vuitton is a status symbol. It represents success, confidence, a luxurious lifestyle. The brand controls its supply, rarely discounts products, and limits certain designs so that owning an LV piece actually feels exclusive. And that feeling is what keeps millions of people choosing LV over any other luxury brand. Louis Vuitton is luxury, but it's also culture. Collaborations with artists, futuristic runway shows, and bold new designs allow the brand to stay relevant to the younger generation while keeping its loyal older audience. LV sits at the intersection of tradition and innovation, and that balance is the secret to its global popularity. So the real question is, do people prefer Louis Vuitton because of its logo or because of what the logo represents? Stick around because in the full video, I am breaking down the psychology behind the LV obsession and helping you see whether the brand truly lives up to the hype. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a part 2.